Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ardiansyah. I'm from Nautical Department Level 2 and I'm from AIPI Makassar.
And my name is Moses Christopher. My major Nautical Level 2 and I'm from AIPI Makassar.
The new environmental regulation have been updated last month. Have you read them?
Yes, I have. The use of low sulfur fuel is required now.
That's right. Also, waste disposal rule have been updated.
I had the plastic must be separated and recycled properly.
Yes, and if the regulations are not followed, the penalties will be applied.
We should ensure that all crew members comply with these rules. The new environmental regulations were introduced last month. Have you read them?
Yes, I have. The use of low sulfur fuel is required now.
That's right. Also, waste disposal rules have been updated.
I heard that plastic waste must be separated and recycled properly.
Yes, if the regulations are not followed, penalties will be applied.
We should ensure all of the crew members comply with these rules.